Hey everybody, welcome back to Bushcraft Joe channel, and today we're going to be taking a good look at the Bee World from Bruder. This is the cement mixer set. So you get one guy, one little action figure, hard hat, shovel, broom, pickaxe. You get a couple, you get 4 bases for your vents. You get a little compactor. You get a little bucket, wheelbarrow, a cement mixer, which does rotate 360 degrees on 2 axes. You get a porta-john, and you get 2 fence pieces. So we'll point this out here. So this is works on the gear, and you guys probably not going to be able to see this, but as you can see, it does move, which was pretty cool. A little shaker, a little compactor. These are not RC. They're not radio controlled at all. Little wheelbarrow. Little shovel. But these go with RC construction really well. These are all done at 1/16 scale. So you can see inside your porta-john there. Top here's got a piece for a crane, so you can pick it up and move it. I'll put an affiliate link down in the description box below where you can pick up yours. If you got kids, Bruder is the replacement for Tonka toys. Bruder takes it to the next level on their detail, their playability with the equipment, and they do try to make it more of a real simulation, which also makes it great for RC construction, which is what I'm getting into. So if you're getting into the same thing and you're looking for these extra details for your set design, static models, things like that, I would highly suggest checking out Bruder. So again, I'll drop down affiliate link down below to help support the channel when you click on there while you're buying something from Bruder. And I will talk to you guys later.